So can you get rich quick with trading? I know a lot of people, if not most people, me included, we got into trading because we wanted to make a lot of money and we wanted to make it very, very fast. So yeah, I think we all thought that trading was a get rich quick scheme. And then once you're a few years down the line, you start to notice, you start to realize that is not the case, that trading takes a really long time to master. So do get rich quick schemes exist? Yes, they do. And they do exist in trading. If you want to be a scammer, if you want to do pyramid schemes, if you want to do affiliate marketing, if you want to do a bullshit scammer course, well, then it's really easy to make a lot of money in, let's say, 3 to 6 months. It can be done, and it has been done. Just look at Instagram, look at YouTube, look at all these people making a bunch of money of well, fake trading courses and also fake promises and stuff like that. So if you want to be a scammer, you can definitely get rich quick scheme. But if you want to be a trader, it's going to take a really, really long time. And that's just the fact. So it's similar to getting a uni degree. It takes around 3 to 5 years, maybe even more. Look, you never know. Some people learn quicker. Some people take a lot more time to learn. I have been doing this for maybe 3 or 4 years now. I don't even remember. And I still have periods where I struggle. I still have periods where I doubt the strategy. I have long drawdown periods. So I'm still learning. I am still not at that stage where I can say I have mastered trading. Again, you can never fully master trading because there's always something new to learn. But I would say there does come a point where you feel really confident about your trading. You have been in the trading spaces for a lot of years. You have been trading a lot of years. You have seen a lot of market conditions. That's what I mean when I say that someone has fully mastered trading. So can you get rich with trading? Yes, you can, but you can get rich slow. Again, as I said, it takes a long time to master this. Your first few years, you're going to be break even, maybe a little bit of profit. When I say a little bit of profit, I mean like $200 or $300, something like that. So you're not going to be making any sort of money that can cover your expenses in your first few years. For example, look at Trader Nick. He has been trading for a lot of years now. He actually inspired me with this quote. So he actually made a post on YouTube saying trading is a get rich slow scheme, which was very interesting. So I wanted to make a video about it. So look at his track record. He has a MyFX book on his YouTube channel. Definitely look at his drawdown periods. Look at what kind of money he's making. Look at what kind of percentage he is making. So he's making around 2 to 3% per month. But in monetary terms, he can make, let's say, 20 or 25 grand per month. Why is that? Well, because he has a big account. So you can make a lot of money, you can get rich, but you have to have first the skills. Of course, you need the skills, which take a few years to build up, and then you need the big capital. So once you get the big capital, when I say big capital, I mean like $100,000, maybe even $1 million. It can be done for prop firms, yes, but private capital or private investors are the best route to go. So once you have the skills, once you have the big capital, and you can extract 2 to 3% per month on average of that $1 million, which is now 20 to 30 grand. So that is a really good income, and that is when you actually start getting rich. And then you can either put that money back into your trading account, or you can put it into other businesses and make that money grow even more. So definitely, if you're just getting into trading, or you have been in the trading game for a few months, maybe a year, you have to expect, if you want to be a real trader, you have to expect it's going to take a lot of time. It's going to be like a college degree. It's going to take 3 to 5 years, maybe even more. No one really knows. No one can guarantee. But if you consistently put in the time, you will become a consistently profitable trader. And one major mistake that I see people doing, so they find out about trading, they see some scammer on Instagram, they see some scammer on YouTube telling them, okay, you can make this amount in 3 to 6 months if you buy my course. They then quit their job and start trading, lose a lot of money, and well, basically they are then stuck. Most likely they will quit trading, and it's just a very, very bad situation. So definitely don't quit your job, especially if you're just learning to trade, if you're not making any money, even if you're making very little money, or if you're only able to cover your basic expenses. Definitely don't quit your job. It's the worst thing to do. You need that consistent monthly income to pay the expenses. Otherwise, the psychological pressure will be too high and you will never succeed. You will take crappy trades because you need the money, and it's just going to be a very, very bad situation. So definitely don't make that mistake and don't quit your job. To be honest, most traders that I work with, most traders that I trade with, they do have some other sort of income, whether it's a full-time job, a part-time job, or maybe a side business. Their basic expenses are covered every single month. So all of the money that they make from trading goes either back into their trading account or goes into other business ventures. So they don't really depend on their trading income. And that's the best way to go. That's how the professionals do it. And that is how you should approach trading. Have your monthly expenses covered, part-time job, full-time job, side business, and then you can learn trading stress-free. Your psychology will be in check. There will be no pressure to make money right now. And one more thing I wanted to highlight, be very, very skeptical of social media. I have been in the trading game for 3 to 4 years, but just now I have started to see how many people are actually trading and making real money from trading, and how many people are just basically scammers selling crap courses, fake courses, and not really trading for themselves. And I would say 95% of the people you see online are fake traders and don't really know what they're doing. So be very, very skeptical. Always do a background check. Look at their MyFX book, look at their past performances, definitely do your due diligence and do a lot of investigation before you pick a course or before you pick a mentor. So in conclusion, there's no easy way to make money. Trading is super hard, and don't let anyone tell you otherwise. If someone tells you that trading is easy, well, they are full of shit, because the psychology that comes with trading is super, super hard. I mean, trading can be simple, okay. It can be simple, but it's definitely a hard thing, and it's one of the hardest things you can do. There's also no way to make money quickly. So with trading, it takes a long time to learn it, to learn the skills, get the skills, and then it takes some time to also get the capital, either through prop firms or private capital, or build up your personal account. So it definitely takes a few years, which is not considered quick. If you want to make a lot of money quickly, well, then you can just be a scammer. Only people that make a lot of money very quickly are, of course, scammers. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope this content kind of opened your eyes. It took me a lot of time to realize who is a real trader, who is not a real trader, how much money can you make, how long will it take. So I hope that my knowledge will help you and maybe shorten the time you need to become a consistently profitable trader. If you're interested in a 12-week mentorship program, there is a link in the description. Go to my website, all of the information is there. I also offer one-on-one coaching calls. Like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you guys in the next video.